Well, if y'all want something, why you laying down on top of that post like that right there? Come here, girl. Come here. Where'd that bird go to? Come on right here, come here. I'm gonna break these little ones up for that bird. That was a blue jay over here a while ago. That blue jay or a cardinal, I don't remember now. I think it was a blue jay. Alright, I broke these up for the birds. I left these whole for the squirrel. The squirrel, he probably eat all of them. Okay, it's about 90 something degrees, right at 100 degrees today. It's hot. I just come outside, I'm sweating. I'm trying to cut the front yard grass some between the flowers. Stop this video, stop.